Hey there, explorers. Welcome back to Color and Create with Ziggy, where your imagination is always part of the adventure. Today's mission? Design your dream campsite. Grab your pencils and your wildest ideas because we're heading into the woods for a creativity quest. Round 1. Pick your camp location. Where will you pitch your tent? A. Deep in the forest. B. Beside a sparkling lake. C. On top of a mountain. D. In your own backyard. Draw your location. Add trees, stars, water, or your backyard swing set.
Yay!
Round 2. Build your campsite base. Every great campsite needs a base. What's yours? A. A classic tent. B. A camper van. C. A log cabin. D. A treehouse with rope ladder. Draw your base. Decorate it however you like. Add pillows, a campfire, or even fairy lights.
Yay!
Round 3. Campfire fun. What's your favorite campfire activity? A. Telling stories. B. Toasting marshmallows. C. Singing songs. D. Stargazing. Draw your campfire scene. What's happening around the fire?
Yay!
Round 4. Camp challenge. Every camper faces a challenge. Which one will you conquer? A. Packing the perfect backpack. B. Building the tallest s'mores tower. C. Finding your way on a map. D. Making a nature journal. Draw yourself completing the challenge like a true camping champ.
Yay!
Now it's time to bring it all together. Draw your full dream campsite with all the details you picked. Add a pet, a flag, or a comfy hammock. Want to be featured in our kids' canvas gallery? Ask a grown-up to help you upload your artwork at educolorpress.com. You could be in the next episode. Want more camping fun? Check out our book, Camp Out. It's packed with creative activities, fun facts, and nature-loving games. That's it for today's adventure, campers. Keep drawing, keep dreaming. And until next time, stay bright, stay curious, and stay ziggified. Oh, and maybe don't forget where you pitched your tent, unless you like surprise sleepovers with raccoons. You can download free printables from this episode at educolorpress.com.